Hello everyone. So we have come up with a new feature in our quotation module. So now in our quotation module, you can schedule your next action date and also can set up the quotation conversion status or the reason of won or lost deal. Let me show you how you can use it and how it will be helpful to you. So you need to click on browse modules, then you need to go to sales and purchase. Now, once you will come in sales and purchase, go to quotation module. Now, this is one of my quotation which I have created. So please check in the dashboard, we have made some of the changes. So here you can see a new tag, which is conversion status, and also some columns of the next action date, deal owner, and the total amount and remaining details. So from here, conversion status, you can go ahead and select the status and can check which quotation is in which stage. Now, how you can define these stages, let me show you. So let me open this particular quotation. Now, on your right hand side, you will see an option of deal information. So once I click on deal information, earlier you used to see an activity timeline over there for the communication. So the same is there in the activity timeline. Here you can go ahead and post a comment or you can send an email communication to them. Now, we have added one feature which is overview. What is in the overview? Now, you can go ahead and change the owner of the quotation. Once I will go ahead and make the changes, the same will get updated. The next action date, you can go ahead and define. So here, the deal status. Currently, the deal status is pending. You can very well go ahead and just mention won or lost. And also you can add tags in quotation. How? So here in this, I will go ahead and create a new tag. It is for the quotation. So new tag, urgent priority. I saved it. Now, after that, go back and I can use this particular tag. Now, please check once it is saved, entire details are updated on quotation. I will go back to my quotation module and here I can see the details. The next action date is this, conversion status is this. Once you will convert this particular quotation to OC, then it will come in the one automatically. I hope this particular feature will be helpful to you in adding the tags and setting up the next action date. Have a good day ahead.